Come test drive the 2026 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, trailer brake controller, adaptive cruise control. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.